Hi everyone. This video is going to focus on how you can actually make a small presentation in SoftChalk. So as you can see on your screen, I'm in SoftChalk right now, and the first thing I'm going to do is to go over here to Properties, and I'm going to pick out the layout that I want for my SoftChalk presentation. So if you go to Properties and click on Style Properties, it is going to pull up the screen that shows you all the different layouts that they have in SoftChalk. So as you can see, there are some really nice colorful templates in here for you to use. I really kind of like these in here, so let's just pick one of those. Let's go with this one. What's this? Let's try this one right here, a little gold and red. And so this is what your presentation will look like after you've made the whole presentation. So once you've selected that, click on Title and Layout, and let's give this a title. And let's say that this is my role development project. And you can have a subtitle, that's totally up to you. Leave these two clicked right here for the footers, and all of this right in here you don't even need to mess with. So over here you can go to where it says Sidebar Layout, and do you want your sidebar on the right or on the left? I'm going to keep this with the right. And then it says, do you want a table of contents page? I personally am going to say no. Do you want a rollover menu in a sidebar? I'm going to say no. And do you want a drop-down menu at the top of a page? And of course, you can always go back and change these. So if you choose one of these, remember, you're not stuck with it for the rest of the presentation. And I'm going to tell it to have page numbers down here. So now I'm going to say OK, and that will be my format, but we can't quite see that yet, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. So for this, I'm going to pretend like I'm making just a really short presentation, and I'm going to put in just some basic information, such as this module focuses on how to interview for a job. Okay, so I have some text right there. Now, if I want to do anything different within here, let's say I want to create a game or something in here. If you click on Insert, you can see here is a different menu where you can put in true-false questions, multiple choice, little quizzes like that. You can go down here and put in different activities such as a crossword puzzle, flashcards, jigsaw puzzles. I mean, and these work really well. So they would really be worth your time in a training type of module. If you go down here, you can insert images as well. You can put in bookmarks, hyperlinks, widgets, and all kinds of things. And really, what you have to do is just get into SoftChalk and play around with it. Don't be scared of this. You can't mess it up, and there are just so many cool things you can do. And then you can go to your format if you want to do something with the text that we have here. And of course, I might want to make this bold, so I can go right here and make that bold. I can italicize it. I can change the color of it to blue if I want to, and do all kinds of things with it. Now, you can go to Tools and you can check your spelling. I think that's really the only thing you would be using under the Tools. You can go to Table, you can create a table if you need to, and so forth. And we've already looked at properties. So I want to show you just how this works now. Let's say I've created my whole page of text and so forth, and I want to go in and see what it looks like. So what I can do is first I have to save this. So I will click on File, and I will go to Save As. And I'm going to save this just in one of the folders on my hard drive. So I'm going to call this dev presentation, and I'm going to say save. Oopsie, I have to rename that. You can't have anything like that in there. So we're going to say role underscore dev. And let's just do that, see if it takes it. And you can see it is taking it. Okay, now we've saved it. Now we can preview it and see what it looks like. So we will go over here to preview, click on view in browser. And here we go. I mean, I haven't put a lot of text in there. I haven't done anything fancy, but you can see there is the text that I typed in the blue that I chose. Here is the title that we put in, and of course it has the color combination that we chose and everything. So you can see if you put games in here and text and all types of things and images, this can look really, really cool. Now, I'm going to get out of that screen because I am ready to now package this lesson so it can be uploaded into your role development course. So what I would do for that is, when I'm all done, is I go to File, and I go down to Package Lesson, and I'm going to tell it to save it as a standard zip, and I'm going to leave the title as Role Development Project, and I will say OK. And so we'll give it a second. And it's still working. And once it has completed zipping, and which it has, this box will pop up for you, and it will tell you that this lesson has been packaged and the name of it. Then it tells you right in here where it's located, and so when you go to upload that to the class, you will have written instructions that are in the class for you, and you need to just follow those step by step, and you'll be able to upload that to the class.